numeric data type. This type deals with all forms of numbers. It is divided into three categories. First one being integers, which are normal numbers like 1 or 5. To use integers data type, make a variable equals to any number you want. Second one being float, which are numbers with a decimal point or numbers with a point, like 5.0 or 6.5. To use float data type, make a variable equals to number dot number. Third one being complex data types are numbers with an alphabet J beside them, like 3J or 2 plus 3J. Remember, the J comes after the number, not before the number. To understand this much better, let's break down the complex data type. It consists of real number and imaginary number. Let's take an example. 2 plus 3J. In here, 2 is the real number and 3J is the imaginary number. Let's take another example. Just 3J. This is also a complex number because it only has imaginary number. In a nutshell, any variable which has real and imaginary number or just real or just imaginary is called complex numbers. There are two ways in which complex data types can be used. First one being variable equals to number plus number with J or just number with J. There is also another way, which is variable equals to complex, and inside the parenthesis you have to specify the real number first, comma, the imaginary number without J.